Hello again, guys. We're back for another, but this is a special edition. Pero legit rate. This time, we're gonna do the 90th. So, since it's um, a 10th, it's gonna be Korean one. So, anong title nitong Korean? Hindi one word. Anyways,
Words.
ayaw nga about yung bride. No? Tama, two words pala. So, the title of this one is Dear Door. Yun talaga yung title ko. Okay, Dear Door.
So, synopsis.
Ito na.
Sabi yung synopsis plus
Plus,
the characters.
bakit may synopsis plus characters? Ba't may kakaiba?
Haba.
Okay, synopsis. After your death, his beloved girlfriend, police officer, tanong tayo sa pangalan, Kyung Jun, just wants to be left alone to water his houseplants and catch criminals. But after a police investigation into a mysterious cult goes supernatural, who is supernatural to? Kyung Jun finds himself unwillingly caught up in a world of demons occupied by monsters. Worst of them all is a demon king calling himself Lord Cain. Lord Cain. It turns out that in order to survive, Cain needs mana. Wow. That can only be accessed through a door inside Kyung Jun's door. Problem is, how is he planning to open that door? So, main characters, Kyung Jun Do, police officer who when pursuing a suspect, recognizes a tattoo symbol linked to a recent cult activities. Wala pa lang to recent cult activities. Catching the escaping, kakaba naman ito. Tapos ko lahat to.
Oo.
Ba yan? Catching. Ang haba talaga, promise.
Oo.
Catching the escaping criminal, Kyung Jun affirms he is under arrest for unlawful assembly, fraud, and kidnapping. Knocked out and waking up to find himself tied in the building on fire, Kyung Jun struggles to escape. Ba't nagkaroon na ng hype yung Kyung Jun ngayon? Maintaining his composure, KJ na lang para may thinks that there has to be an opening somewhere. Identifying the same pattern in the building, he wonders if they were having some sort of ritual. Resolving to get out of here, KJ means to call for backup after. Passing out, he is saved by a demon named Cain in his unconscious state and becomes Cain's door, a vessel that demons use to travel between the human realm and hell. Whatever. Arriving home, KJ speaks about his state to Soyoung, his dead, his girlfriend who passed away. Mamaro ko sa nakasulat eh. Tending to water the many potted plants he keeps in his apartment, KJ hopes they will bloom beautifully. KJ has a very strong-willed personality and spirit, struggles with depression after the loss of Solyoung. He has been best friends with another police officer, Jin Young, since they were young. Accomplished shooter, when firing at tendrils, KJ also uses his environment to his advantage in a fight, supportive of those he cares about, whether human or demon. KJ will go to great lengths to ensure that they are okay if they appear troubled. KJ strives to solve a case involving a religious cult. Para paulit naman to. Although resistant to being a door for Cain at first, as their relationship develops, he becomes more involved. So ito si KJ. Okay? Okay, that.
Yun naman din.
Next. Next character, Cain. Silang dalawa lang babasahin ko, parang awa mo na.
Okay.
Ang haba eh. Hindi mo nakaka-4 na minuto na ako. KJ.
Cain.
Cain. An incredible, powerful demon who has lived for 50,000 years. Cain chooses KJ to become his door, quote-unquote door, between the human realm and hell. He often needs KJ's help to recharge his mana, able to change into a winged demon form. His other traits, including a real name that induces strange effects in humans, so he has KJ call him Mr. Cain. Refusing orders to kill the police officer, instead, Cain saves KJ. Reaching KJ and speaking if he understands what it took to enter the human realm, Cain requests for him to live and fulfill his role properly. Protective of KJ, since he requires him, changes to something more as Cain finds himself increasingly attached to the human. Cain does express jealousy, as well as an initiative to help KJ with the case at hand, only for something in return. Despite his injury, Cain is still very intimidating and commands the respect of other demons. Even with his power diminished, Cain is a very skilled fighter, yet also relies on others. Cain has a very laid back and humorous personality, does not take anything too seriously, but will quickly lash out and protect KJ if he's in danger. While the humans serve as a convenient purpose to him in the beginning, Cain's feelings towards KJ develop into more. Cain also has two notable allies who have served him over the years, Sid and Ben. Sociable, Cain works quite well with those he knows. So marami pang ibang characters at di ko na sila babasahin na lang haba. Okay? Continue.
Right. So, yung chapters ito is more than 100 chapters. So, that's
Super
why,
haba. So gist lang.
so, well, basically, you should read this. This one is very sexual. So, kasi to open the door, they have to have sex. So, yun nga, since si Cain, he goes back and forth to the demon world and the earth, the human world. So, kailangan niya makapag-sex kay KJ to open the door.
Paano siya mag-sex kung nasa hell siya tapos nasa human world si Cain?
Hindi, pwede siyang lumabas. Pero to enter the demon world, he needs to have sex to open the door.
To go back.
Oo.
Yung returning.
Oo.
Char back.
Yes, right. So, yung cult na sinasabi, they would have tattoos kasi yung pala, nagkakaroon na ng mga other demon factions na they were coming into Earth to spread whatever, ganyan. They're taking souls. Kasi, meron parang division sa hell.
Okay.
Oo.
The good demons
Si
and the
Cain.
bad demons.
Si Cain yung isa, si Lucifer yung isa. Yun pala.
Si Cain yung sa Abel and Cain.
Oo.
Ooh,
Si Cain at saka si Lucifer. Yun pala. Ano lang pala yun? Parang the bad side of Lucifer was separated from the good side.
Of Lucifer.
So, naghati si Lucifer into
Good side si Cain, bad side
good
si
side
Lucifer.
si Cain. So,
Oh.
bad side si Lucifer.
Kasi sabi nga sa mga napapanood ko sa Chinese chorba,
Mhm.
demons aren't always bad.
Oo.
It's just that they're born demons.
So, they were
Conflict
born that
din yun.
way. So, yun nga. May conflict, heavenly conflict. So, heaven and earth, heaven and hell, they would have conflict as well. Nung una, hindi nakikialam ang heaven because it's an earth, a hell
A human.
situation. So, pero at some point, nangialam
Sino ito?
si
Si Gabriel ba to?
si
Si Mark? Si Michelangelo? Michelangelo.
si ano yata?
Sino ba?
Oo, si Michael yata.
Si
Nangialam si Michael.
Michael
At saka si
Archangel?
Metatron.
Megatron?
Metatron.
Oh my God.
Si Metatron nangialam din. So,
Mm.
nagkaroon ng like a bigger conflict. Right? So, nagkaroon na, of course, ng napanlaban, ganyan-ganyan. And, very well made ang
Story na yun.
story na to. Extremely well made. Kaya lang, hindi mo babasahin na gano'ng kahaba.
So, ang dami pang scroll.
Oo.
Kung gagawin nila manga style yan, baka basahin.
Malaki.
Well, so, malabo din, basahin ko yan. Pero
But
nakasimple.
it's a really good story. So, tapos, by the end of the main story, syempre, nalaman nila na itong katawan ni KJ, kaya the reason why he was able to become the dwarf of Cain for a very long time was because he's the
Sabi yan.
hindi si Michael. May isa pa, si Metatron niya. Si Metatron yung gustong i-demolish yung hell and he would take up all the souls that's supposed to be in hell. Parang i-intake niya because he wants to be proud.
So, bad si Metatron.
Oo, pero angel siya.
Oh, bakit si Lucifer angel din naman? Kabigin
But
ko.
he was sent in hell because he was
And huli
not
siya eh.
good. Hindi, ang storya dito, kaya ganun si Lucifer is because of Michael.
Nagzelo siya kay Michael?
Hindi, they were lovers.
Oh, sa story na yan.
Mhm.
Okay.
So,
And then Michael betrayed him for Metatron. Hindi yan. Okay.
syempre si Michael, he's an angel. So, sabi niya na, parang ayaw niya yung relationship nila kasi nga,
It's against. Okay, against.
So,
Against the nature. Ang dating.
so parang ang ginawa ngayon nito yung na-send sa hell, kasi si Michael din ang reason na kung bakit nasa hell si Lucifer.
Yeah.
So, nung na-send na sa hell si Lucifer, he disappeared. Si Michael disappeared.
Mm.
So, nag-reincarnate, and yung soul ni Michael,
Napunta kay KJ.
Kaya
Kaya
napakalakas ng soul niya. He's not dying. Kasi, yung other vessels na naging door,
After a while,
they
namamatay.
break
Ganon.
down. Oh, they break down, they die, ganyan.
I see.
Pero yung since napaka-strong ng soul ni Michael, kay KJ,
Because it's meant to be.
oo,
Parang jowa
parang
sila.
ganun nga eh.
Okay.
So, by the end of it, they had to pull out yung soul ni Michael. He died. So, si
KJ?
KJ died.
Oh.
So, his soul broke into 1,000 pieces.
Sa story na yan. So, it's not a happy ending.
Hindi, yun sa main story. Pero may side story kasi eh.
It doesn't matter. Oh, pero hindi
so-
siya happy ending.
Hindi siya happy ending, yung main story. Kasi he died niya. Tapos, everything was normal aside from the fact that he died. So, everything went back to as it was.
Eh, si King, nag-isa na
Si
sila
King.
ni Lucifer. Hindi.
Wala, lumabas sila si Lucifer eh.
I don't know.
Kasi nga, parang they decided to be together, si Michael at si Lucifer. So, they kind of went away. Something like parang gano'n.
So, meta to lang natalo nila.
Oo, natalo nila si Metatron.
So, ganun yung gist yung story mo to. So, it's really supernatural.
It's very supernatural.
Sayang.
Yung fact pa lang na open na
Lumangga sana yan.
Maganda talaga siya.
Eh, ayoko.
Oo.
Ano maraming scroll eh.
Yun na nga lang.
Yung isang page walang laman, araw lang.
Ganun nga siya, unfortunately.
Kaya talagang, ano akong basahin siya kasi it's a waste of time.
It is. So,
Unless talagang
mapagod
fan
na
ka,
kakastroll.
it's a waste of time.
Hindi
honestly.
ko sure kung gagawing anime ito. Kasi it's really
If it
good.
becomes one, I'd probably watch.
It's really good. It's extremely good. So, meron na din yung isa, yung Dangerous Convenience
Or maybe if they can do it like Sean, ginawa na naman nila dun sa
Store. Medyo mahirap to.
Untamed. Diba ginawa nila dun sa Untamed ba yun? Yung dalawang demon. BL coded, pero hindi talaga BL. Kasi
I don't
bawal sa China. Eh, since Korean naman. BLs are produced in Korea wildly. So, it's
So,
possible.
I don't know. Because it's very, hindi mo siya, mahirap ang CG.
Eh, imagine mo na lang, di ba meron naman ding, ano yun yung Goblin at saka yung isa pang something.
Well, like mainstream yun eh. Budget yan issue.
Alam mo
Budget
naman.
issue.
We never know.
So,
Ang
hopefully,
ganda siya, maganda.
maging animation.
At least. At the very least.
Animated.
Para mapanood ko. Kasi kung hindi ko talaga mabasahin.
It's a really good story. So, tapos, parang, nung side story na, sabi nung isang angel,
So,
Na
gano'n
after
kahaba yung
Metatron.
main story na yan? Kasi,
I think it's about,
so, dating nung kwento mo, yung main story, love story lang talaga ni Lucifer.
hindi siya, may mga, of course, whatever.
Yun yung binubuo nun.
Uh-uh.
And it didn't end good for them. Pero may side story where they ended
Oo.
better.
Oo.
Di ba? Oh, I continue the side story.
Yung side story, it started as, si Kane, he's managing her, of course, ganyan. And nagkakaroon ng faction, wala
So,
nang faction.
Yeah, before may tuloy yan, is this something after or it coincides with the actual main?
After.
After na talaga.
Patay na nga si KJ.
Oo nga. So, yan na yung
Kasi,
kadugtong.
patay na si KJ. So, during the war, may isang angel na parang he trusted si KJ at si Kane.
Okay.
Hindi ko na matandaan yung name niya. So, sabi nung one time, after nung main story, dun sa side story, nagpadala ng letter itong
Si Angel.
si Angel. Sabi, to atone for the ganyan-ganyan, there's a certain soul that I sent to you. And we're sending this person into hell because even though he did great things when he was alive, he was in a relationship with the demon. And it's not good for heaven. So we're sending his soul to you. his soul broke into 1,000 pieces, but we were able to find it.
So, alam niya na yun.
1,000 pieces. Oo.
So, alam niya na si
Oo.
ano yun.
Eh di, syempre, nasa hell, si ano,
Doon na sila nagsama.
doon na sila nagsama. So, doon
Yun yung side story.
doon na yung side story. So, during their main story, they wanted to have like a wedding, ganyan. So, syempre, sinabi ni KJ yung tradition of giving rings,
Oo,
ganyan.
Human things.
Oo. Ngayon, sa hell, they decided to have a marriage, a wedding celebration.
Wedding
so,
in hell.
wedding in hell. Eh, they're both in hell. So si KJ parang queen of hell na.
Quote unquote.
Kasi he's male, but queen of hell. So, they were able to exchange rings, ganyan-ganyan, blah, blah, blah. Tapos, of course, they were happy, ganyan-ganyan, blah, 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 ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, yung assistant nito ni Kane told him na they needed to have an heir.
Okay. So, wala ka na magkaanak.
Oo, kailangan na magkaanak. So, not in the traditional sense, of course, yung pagkakaroon ng anak. So, they had to kind of do some spell, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, they would just join their energies together, and then, poof, baby. Poof.
Pero nag-sure ba naman sila dyan?
Oo.
Wagas. Okay.
Very, very sexual ito.
Hindi ko na ipapakita sa iba.
Extremely sexual itong
Graphic din siya.
very graphic. Pero may mga may mga parang extras na pinapakita na parang
Tip-tip lang.
hindi, they were actors, yung si KJ at saka si Kate, actors sila na they were going to do this scene, ganyan.
Well, parang Barbie.
Oo, may ganon.
May side, may mga
Cute yung
bloopers.
mga mga ganon. Cute yung mga extras. Very cute. Tapos, pakita ko sa yung nila, height difference nila.
Siyempre, tao si KJ. Kane is Kane. I would think, monstrous yung height ng isa.
Oo. Ayan ito yung pinaka-cover.
Fairness, maganda.
Yan ang pinaka-cover. Siyempre yung dark skin si Kane. Yung light skin si
KJ.
si KJ. Yan. Maganda siya.
Sabi mo, papakita mo height difference. Nasa
Sana lang.
iba yung nakita ko eh.
Ay, pakita eh.
Wala pong ipakita yun dyan.
Hindi, yung ba, nakatayo ba sila? Hindi
Kaya nga.
pinakita. Ayan. Ito, pakita yan. Ito, anak nila yan.
Anak na yan. Babae.
Babae sa lalaki.
Anyway, so ano yung height difference nila? Basta monstrous plus normal yung. Isipin mo na lang, sino yung basketball player na Chinese? Tapos,
Ayan. Ayan si Kyun2.
oh, but si height difference.
Ito si friend.
Parang si ano nga,
Ito yung unang friend. Ito yung si
kung sino mang friends.
Ito yung
Mga ganyan yung height
15.
difference nila.
a foot.
More or
A
more. Mga ganun. Sa mataas. Siguro from 5 to 6. 6, 7. 6, 7. Kung ano man yun. Yung nasa loob na sila. Okay na. Sorry.
So, of course, maraming nangyari in between ngayon. So, anyways, nagkaroon sila ng anak. Yung lalaki,
Minagic nila yung anak nila.
oo, isang babae sa lalaki. Yung lalaki, actual baby, mga mag-1, wala pang 1. Ganyan.
Okay.
Yung babae, she's about 4.
So, nauna yung babae.
Hindi. Sabay sila lumabas.
Pero magkaiba ng height.
Oo,
magkaiba na
sila.
ng age. Okay.
So, yun. Extremely strong yung babae. Pero syempre, yung baby, he's fake.
Baby.
So, parang pinakita lang, there was one, may narration, like yung amongst the devils, may usap-usapan sila. Kasi, di ba nga, as the kids grow older, ganyan, whatever, something.
Sino yung magiging actual heir? And all that?
Hindi, yun yung dalawa.
Both. Okay.
Kasi they have different managing whatever something different. They're managing different
Different
parts
things.
of hell.
So many management positions sa hell, ah. Oh.
Hell is vast.
Okay.
So, kailangan ng managers. So, pinakita lang doon na, kasi since they're part angel,
True.
they can be called through prayers.
Oh.
So, pinakita na itong si babae, I can't remember the name.
Whatever.
Yung anak na ng babae, she was called through prayer.
Mm.
So, ang tumawag sa kanya, babae din na, save me, whatever, I want to die, kill me already, ganyan. Kasi yung tatay ng babae, whatever, something. Basta natawag. Tapos, she spent years dun sa earth with this girl. Yeah. So, parang,
So she
whatever.
experienced life on
Oo.
earth tulad ng kanyang nanay.
Oo.
Kapag ko.
Yan. So, sabi nung mga demons, there's actually a very scary demon living in the palace with the king.
Siya yun.
Living in the palace. Hindi sinabi ko sino, hindi wala pa sinasabi. And sabi pa dun sabi ng mga demons, usapan nila, this demon actually has an innocent smile, but it can ruin you. Ganyan.
Okay.
Kasi, syempre, parang this person can command whatever, ganyan. Kasi nga naman, whatever KJ says, Kane does it. So,
Whatever she wants.
he
He wants.
whatever he wants,
He gets.
Kane gives it to him. So, anything he says goes. And takot si Kane, at saka yung dalawang anak niya sa kanya. Siyempre,
Very powerful naman siya.
hindi lang nun eh. Hindi siya, pag nagalit siya.
Hindi madaling sayo eh.
Hindi. This is a really good story.
Sayang lang at nakakainis siyang basahin.
So, give it a try. It's a really good
Give it a try.
Give it a try. So yeah, that is all for our 90th Let's Leave It Here
Special
Bye.
Manwa
Manhwa.
edition. Yes.